In the search bar, type download Python and hit enter. Select the first URL. In the download section, you will find other installers for Android or Mac OS, but here we're gonna click on the download Python, which is installer for Windows 10 or 11. Double click to run the installer and click on install Python. After launching the installer and install Python, it will open the CMD and it will tell you to update settings now. Type Y from your keyboard and hit enter, which means yes. And then type Y again from your keyboard to add the directory. And then type Y again for installing Python 3.14.3. And then if you type yes here, it will open the view online help. But we don't need it. And now when you press the start key from your keyboard, you will see the Python is installed on your operating system. Press start key again from your keyboard and run the command prompt as administrator. Then type Python space dash dash version and hit enter. This simple command to verify that you have installed the latest version of Python. Then type this command Python space dash m beep install space dash dash upgrade space beep. Hit enter from your keyboard. Runs beep through the current Python interpreter and updates package to their latest version. It's used to upgrade Python libraries to the newest release. After downloading is done, click on the start button from your keyboard and run Python Perl. Now let's type a simple code to print something. And here the environment is ready to test and run the codes.